I started It's Not Magic, It's Science because I wanted kids to have really fun ways to engage with science without really having to invest a lot of cost or having to find very complicated ways to get engaged. I think it's really important to help kids see the excitement behind STEM at a very early age. And if you don't have fun and safe ways to explore that, you start to lose that curiosity. You stop asking questions. And so It's Not Magic, It's Science allows them to say, wow, if we were able to do this thing that I thought was impossible and seems magical to me, what else could I do with that science? And could I use it to solve a problem that I personally care about? Or to look at something that's been a challenge for us for years and years in a different way, now that I have this excitement and knowledge. And I hope it just sparks that excitement for curiosity in the areas that they're excited about. I had a really interesting connection to STEM as a child because I was very naturally curious. My mom will tell me stories of how I used to bring out all the pots and pans when she was cooking in the kitchen, and I would just play around with them. I was experimenting with how different things worked, right? Like, why does the wooden spoon make a different sound than the metal spoon when I hit it against the same pot? Expanding my curiosity and allowing me to keep playing and exploring, which at that time was just to have fun, but later on allowed me to become an engineer and have that interest and passion in solving problems. I'm always trying to find as many ways to reach as many students as possible. And one of the coolest opportunities I've had to be able to do that is becoming an American Ninja Warrior. If I can get into the sports and entertainment world and start showcasing all the science and engineering behind all of that, that's gonna be a win for connecting those passions. We're gonna reach kids that maybe weren't gonna explore this originally, but now they're excited about how I used science and engineering to do better on the American Ninja Warrior course. And now they're like, how could I design an obstacle? Or how could I use what I learned in my physics class to become a better ninja without even having to train an extra day? Just understanding how your body works better could be something that allows you to become a better athlete. I am willing to do almost anything to get kids excited about STEM. One of my big dreams is actually to get a Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Award, and you have to get slimed in order to receive that. And so, yes, I would get slimed out, whatever it takes to get kids excited about science and engineering. I'm pretty much down for it. There's just so many fun ways in which we can engage that I just got to put a little bit more work into and time into that I think will make a big difference. And then from there, it's just how do we get it to as many kids as possible? So whatever the newest social media platform is, It's Not Magic, It's Science is gonna be there. Hopefully on future streaming platforms that reach more and more kids globally, we'll have a place there. And then maybe even at your library, you'll be able to pick up a book that sparks that excitement. My name is Jay Flores, and I'm not a magician, I'm an engineer.